So the Hinge rig I'm using, 5.5 boom this time. It's still the Gemini booms, Gemini leader, normal lead clip system, 2-ounce lead, but it's a smaller tungsten bead at that end, and that's my little Hinge rig that I make, size 6 chod, and I just crimp it. These Gemini booms come with just a little swivel, so you just crimp round onto it and you can get the exact length you want for your hinge. Little 12mm yellow pineapple. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll set up a bit like that on the deck.